I'll soon reach the limit of the Chidori's destructive power. But how? Father, do you have a moment?
I'm busy now. Come back later. And have you made up your mind about this?
Yes, Father. Believe that he is trustworthy. That means that we must change as well. We must demonstrate to them that we have no ill will. We must pledge loyalty to Lord Forth.
This is Itachi that's talking to us.
But...
Besides, we have long hoped to find a way to participate within the government.
You always do this, Father.
I realize this may be sudden.
Guarding a VIP from the feudal lord's office.
The Leaf will dispatch an escort unit.
It's always like this. Father only cares about Big Brother, no matter how hard I try. Every single time, he never acknowledges me.
I brought some snacks. Want to share them? Huh?
I'm not ordering you around, and I'm not a loser, you know? I caught up to you, didn't I?
Why, you...
Sorry, but fights are forbidden inside the village.
Where is he? What was that power?
You know, when I developed the Rasengan, it wasn't so that I could hurt my friends.
I was frustrated. It may be impossible now, but I'll become stronger. And I'm gonna get him to acknowledge me someday.
What are your intentions?
I'm just not going to expect anything from you anymore. But before that...
All right! I'm gonna train super hard again today! Sakura?
It's awful! Sasuke is...
Huh? Why'd you do that all of a sudden?
And what's gonna happen to us? I mean, what'll happen to Team 7 now?
Hold it. Just slow down there.
What?
They'll be using the Uchiha's elite unit. He made a strong appeal to join them.
Come on, Naruto. Do you have to be a complete idiot? Beast?
Yeah? Tell me, why should I be? Huh? You mean he also?
Yeah, that's right. At the very least, it means he's aware of you and your skills.
Now, hurry!
All right, that's the spirit! What can I tell you? My wounds are fully healed.
No way! Hey, I have an idea. Why don't you take me with you?
What?
It's the perfect idea. I'll be able to get lots of training done out there while we're on the road.
Well,
All right, then. We're just gonna have to convince her, won't we? Come on, let's go!
For now, I actually wouldn't mind being kept on standby.
Oh, but...
So later, and maybe there's even a chance that Sasuke could have a change of heart. Lady Tsunade, please, I'd like to learn that jutsu that you mentioned before.
I like that look on your face. Fine.
Of course.
Ranked way above you. The days at the feudal lord's office will be long and hard. Setting aside my father and my brother, you're the most skilled among the Uchiha. All right. It's fine by me. Go.
Hey, I've been thinking about what you said before.
But one day he went off the path. I should have set him right back on it then, but...
Oh, I see.
And I can't help but think. At the same time, I haven't given up yet. I know that I'll bring him back one day.
Jiraiya-sensei is way too lax about them, so don't you dare imitate his bad habits.
She insisted on seeing you too often.
That goes without saying, you know.
Look, don't worry. If he gets in my way, I'll just transport him to Mount Miyoboku or someplace.
If you try too hard, you're gonna make all of us back here look like we're slacking off.
What are you talking about? Well, I'm not gonna lose to Naruto.
I get it.
Let's go already.
All right, I'm totally ready now.
We could have been rid of the Jonin who support the fourth Hokage in one swoop.
Some of the blame lies with you. I expect the contract to be honored. Well, let's see. Itachi would have been an ideal choice, actually. Yes, I'm counting on you. An ideal body.
All right, good.
I've learned everything I can here. Besides, I realize it's none of my business, but I don't need you to get involved in this. Thanks for the last 3 years.
Only the elite were sent on that mission. But you've developed into a shinobi second only to Shisui.
Very soon now, I'm going to surpass Itachi.
It's very easy to just run your mouth.
I look forward to it.
Impossible! He took all of us out with one attack!
You had no chance of escaping. You were brilliant as usual, sir. So what do we do with them now?
Do they have to beat them up so much? They say it's to maintain public morale.
Oh, Sasuke.
Nah, we get to let off steam, too. It's 3 birds with 1 stone. You know, honestly, until Sasuke came, everyone was getting fed up.
If things were going to change just by waiting, then they would have changed a long time ago.
We have to apply pressure, too.
Lord Fugaku's ways are too weak.
None of this has been difficult at all.
More and more uneasy every day.
I believe that this is a form of protest. They're losing patience. Is the clan's most gifted member, Sasuke.
Sasuke, you're back. But they're still fulfilling their duties. I believe my father would like to keep observing them.
Man, what a drag. Everybody in the village is so high-strung because of those guys. It wasn't that long ago that this place was filled with people and food stands.
This is weird.
Huh?
Weren't there lots of food stands here before?
Naruto?
Huh? Hey, Sakura!
You know, you look a little more distinguished.
Really?
What are you talking about? Here, just take a look at this. See?
Huh? What the?
Well, actually, Sasuke's still one, too.
What happened? What's going on with Sasuke?
Shop, huh?
I'm sorry.
Come with me!
So you start breaking the rules the minute you return? Seems like you haven't grown up at all.
Choji, get her to safety.
You got it.
I've been waiting for this day.
Stop it, both of you!
No way, you're...
Hey! They're running!
Leave them alone. Drop it. Just continue your rounds. You all understand me? What are you trying to say?
I'm just posing a question. How long will you remain confined where you are, Sasuke? Naruto, you can't just go calling someone like Lord Danzo old man.
She told me to never get involved with him.
You're so clueless, you don't even know you're clueless. Oh, sure.
It's really no big deal. We're happy to help.
Hey, you!
Leave it, or it'll just keep going. Pervy Sage told me that if a friend wanders off the path, you have to pull them back onto it.
You want us to leave them be? Really?
It's just, that kid's bound to give you more trouble.
Shut up.
He seems to have gained a lot of strength in the past 3 years. In truth, that child Sasuke possesses fine eyes.
Hey, you know what I heard? The police force had a run-in with the Hokage's son yesterday. What?
We've clamped down on everyone until now.
But the lieutenant said we should leave him alone.
He also told us...
I don't know what you're talking about. Interfering? Hey, wait a minute! Who gave you the authority to do this?
I had some misgiving. The police force raiding the Hokage's home without authorization.
And take the appropriate disciplinary measures.
Enough. Just throw all of them into a cell.
Sir.
I guess it was for nothing, though. All you really ended up doing was empowering fools to indulge in idiotic behavior. You are now relieved of all your duties as lieutenant.
Even if this incident does get him fired from the force, we'll just give him a slap on the back and welcome him right back onto our team again.
What the hell have I been doing? Why is he so different from me?
You've come.
You wanted to see me. You must have something up your sleeve. I want power. Enough power to beat him.
But are you sure? Not only is Naruto Uzumaki the son of the Hokage.
I don't care about the Uchiha or the...
I remember a shinobi who deserted the village long ago saying something just like that. The name of that shinobi is Orochimaru. He's one of the 3 legendary Sannin. That's the price you'll pay.
I'm looking forward to it. I want to know what you're getting out of this.
It's your choice whether you believe me, who do not look with much kindness upon that creature of the 9 tails. Now go.
Shiro.
If you're gonna have a midnight snack, you gotta have something rich and heavy.
All right, shift's over.
Time to close the gate.